In the park, the kids all run, playing games and having fun. Hide and seek, they laugh and cheer. Ready or not, I'm over here. The seesaw goes up and down, big smile replace every frown. Swings go high, touching the sky. Sliding down feels like you'll fly. Skipping ropes with a hop and a spin. Reading books with a peaceful grin. Walking past, feeling the breeze, under the shade of tall green trees. Balloons in colors float around, toys and giggles fill the ground. Kicking balls, riding bikes, the park has fun for all they like. Exercise keeps them healthy and strong. They sing and play all day long. A day in the park is the best way to fill the heart with joy each day.